welcome to Morning Market Call. We're glad to have you with us today. I'm your host, Dave Wood. With me today is Dave Williams. Nice name.
Thank you. It's a great name myself.
Yeah, so you are our new VP of Communications for the class of 2013. Being a second-year student, congratulations.
Thank you very much.
That's very, very good news. So tell us a little bit about yourself.
Sure.
Morning Market Call is brought to you by the Marriott School of Management in cooperation with the Brigham Young University Department of Communications. MMC is made possible by generous donations.
Welcome to Morning Market Call. I'm your host, Dave Wood. With me today is someone with just an amazing name, Dave Williams.
Excellent.
We're glad to have you on the show today.
It's a pleasure.
So you are the new VP of Communications for the MBA school next year. That is really that's amazing. Tell us a little about yourself so we can get to know you.
Sure. I'm originally from Cincinnati, Ohio. I've spent the past 10 years in Washington, D.C. working in the federal government and decided that it was time for a career switch, and so I decided that coming to BYU to get an MBA would be the appropriate means to start a fresh career.
Fresh career, nice, very good. So, VP of Communication, can you help us understand what exactly that you do as one of our leaders?
Sure. Well, I'm in charge of basically the communications, all the information that will help make the lives better of the incoming class and the current class, so that everybody knows all the events going on, the opportunities that will help them in their studies and in their career.
So basically all these spam messages that the incoming class will get over the next few years?
Exactly. I will be the #1 spammer.
All right. We'll call you the spammer. I think VP of Communications sounds better, though.
It does.
Okay, so why did you decide to run for VP of Communications?
Well, having worked in the national security arena, I really know how valuable good communications are, how critical they are. And so while physical lives aren't at stake here, we hope
they might be.
They might be. Having poor communications can really have a negative impact on someone's job search or networking opportunities. And so my goal is to make sure that no one misses out on opportunities because of poor communications. And so I want to make sure that the communications are both timely and convenient. So that's my main objective.
And how is it that you ensure that your communications are timely and convenient?
Sure. One of the things I plan to do is work closely with all the organizations to make sure that they give me all of the event information with a lot of lead time, so I make sure that everyone can have that in a timely manner. But one thing, I'm very lucky in that Brent Jacobson and Dan Howe and others worked very hard to get a new website together, so it'll be much more convenient for people to go to the new website and find everything they need. However, if people can't find things that they're looking for, I hope that they'll contact me directly so that I can direct them and also try to make the website better so it's more user-friendly and everybody will be able to have the information they need.
If you did just a website overhaul, I think you would do this program a great service. That's for sure.
Well, luckily I don't have to do that because they did it for me.
Can we get Morning Market Call link on there?
That is actually one of the things that's upper left.
We'll talk afterwards.
Yeah, we're good.
Yeah, because we need to get that on there. Yeah.
It's there.
Okay. So in addition to the new website, what other changes do you have in store?
Well, one of the things I've been doing recently has been looking at other MBA programs' communications to formulate best practices, and one of the things I discovered was having the executive council and general counsel meeting minutes available to everyone, opening up the transparency a little bit so people know what the executive and general counsels do, and hopefully that will encourage them to have some upward feedback and really have a positive impact and help the leadership help them. So as a member of the media, I fully support your goal of transparency in the administration, and I hope you succeed in your goal. So thank you very much for being on the program. We appreciate you coming, sharing your vision of what communication will be like in the upcoming school year. Class of 2013, I think you're in good hands. So this has been another episode of Morning Market Call. Find us on Facebook and Twitter, and we'll see you next time.
Morning Market Call is brought to you by the Marriott School of Management in cooperation with the Brigham Young University Department of Communications. MMC is made possible by generous donations from Larry Tasjan and Gary Williams. This show was produced by Jeff Butler, David Wood, and Doug Mumford, with line producing by Beth Grimmett. For more information, please follow us on Twitter and Facebook.